Good morning students, welcome to WITS Connect. So today our topic name is field effect transistor. This is your second unit. This is second unit, field effect transistor. So coming to the introduction of field effect transistor, why we have named it as field effect transistor? Okay, why we have named it as field effect transistor? Okay, so actually coming to the bipolar junction transistors or BJT, you have three terminals. Those are base, emitter and collector. So this is the NPN transistor symbol. This is base, emitter, collector. This is the symbol of N-channel NPN transistor. So coming to this NPN transistor, the current conduction takes place by using of both type of charge carriers. Those are nothing but electrons and holes. That's why the transistors are named it as bipolar junction transistor. In bipolar junction transistor, the current conduction takes place because of both type of charge carriers. Those are nothing but electrons and holes. So that means transistors are bipolar devices. So in this you have three terminals. This is NPN transistor. Like this you have PNP transistor. In NPN transistor you have three terminals: base, emitter and collector. Coming to the field effect transistor, also you have three terminals like gate, drain, source. So field effect transistors are also having three terminals: gate, drain, source. Why we have this to name this as field effect transistor? So here in field effect transistor, the current conduction takes place by only one type of charge carriers. Those are either holes or electrons. That's why the field effect transistors are named it as unipolar devices. Okay, so here the current conduction takes place by applying the electric field on the gate terminal. Okay, now the current conduction takes place from source to drain terminal depending on the applied voltage on the gate terminal, depending on the biasing or field effect, electric field applied at the gate terminal. Okay, now in field effect transistor what is happening? The current conduction takes place from source to drain depending on the controlling electric field applied at the gate terminal or the control of voltage at the gate terminal. By controlling the voltage at the gate terminal, the current passes from source to drain. That's why we named it as field effect transistor. Field effect means on the applying of electric field at the gate terminal, the current takes place from source to drain. That is drain current. That's why we named it as field effect transistor. Field effect means electric field. Electric field ekkada apply chestam manam ikkada gate terminal daggara apply chestam. So aa gate terminal daggara apply chesina voltage ni batti the current will flow from source to drain. That's why we named it as field effect transistors. So coming to the introduction of field effect transistor, the field effect transistor is a three-terminal unipolar junction device. Here the current conduction takes place in field effect transistor only by one type of charge carriers, either electrons or holes. Okay na? But coming to the bipolar junction transistor, the current conduction takes place because of both type of charge carriers. Those are electrons and holes. That's why transistors are named it as bipolar junction transistors. Field effect transistors are named it as unipolar semiconductor devices. Field effect transistors are unipolar semiconductor devices. So, and if you use this field effect transistor, the switching speed is very high and operation speed is very high. It is having high input impedance and it is very cheap and it is easily fabricated in ICs. IC lo easyga fabricate cheyochu and it can be used in most electronic applications. Okay, now those are the advantages of field effect transistors. Okay, so coming to the classification of field effect, that is the introduction. Coming to the field effect transistor classification, the field effect transistors are classified into two types. Those are junction field effect transistors junction field effect transistors. Second one is insulated gate field effect transistor. Insulated gate field effect transistors, or we can simply name it as MOSFET. MOSFET full name is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So if you take the classification of FET, you have two types. Those are junction field effect transistors. We can simply name it as JFET. And next, insulated gate field effect transistor or MOSFET. MOSFET abbreviation is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So coming to the classification, field effect transistors are classified into two types. Junction field, if we take first one, junction field effect transistors are classified into two types. So those are nothing but entamma. One type is junction field effect transistor, another type is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Two types. So coming to the junction field effect transistor, you have depletion mode. Depletion mode lo emotundante current is going to be decreased. Okay na? So again this is classified into two types, N channel JFET, P channel JFET. So these are the symbols of N channel JFET and P channel JFET. These are very important symbols. So coming to the N channel JFET, so FET you have three terminals. What are those? Gate, drain, source. Gate, drain, source. If you observe this symbol, the arrow mark is inside. Correct, exact ka middle lo undali arrow mark. Paiki undadu kindi undadu. Exact middle lo undali. So if you take this arrow mark, the arrow mark indicates the arrow mark is inside. That means it indicates N channel JFET. Here the arrow mark at the gate terminal is outside. So this indicates P channel JFET. That is the main difference between N channel and P channel JFET. So coming to the metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, or simply it is MOSFET, depletion mode and enhancement mode. Depletion mode lo current అనేది decrease అవుతుంది, enhancement mode lo current is going to be increased. So in depletion mode it is classified into two types, N channel depletion mode, P channel depletion mode. So coming to the symbol here, the arrow mark is inside. So this is the symbol of gate, drain, source, three terminals. This is the symbol of N channel depletion mode. So this is the symbol like this. So here the arrow mark is inside, here the arrow mark is outside. So coming to the enhancement mode, MOSFET, N channel enhancement mode MOSFET, P channel enhancement mode MOSFET. So these are the symbols. Okay, so what is the difference between these two symbols? Same only, but here dotted lines will be there. This dotted line indicates there is no channel exists. There is no channel exists in enhancement mode. There is no channel exists. Okay, now there is a channel exists between source and drain. Source and drain madhyalo channel anedi exists. Dillo channel anedi undadu. That is, here it is indicated by dotted lines here. This is the main difference between depletion mode and enhancement mode. Depletion mode lo channel exists, but in enhancement mode there is no channel exists. This is indicated by dotted lines here. Okay, this is the classification of JFET. The construction of JFET. What is JFET? Why we have to name it as field effect transistor? So in field effect transistor, the current takes place from source to drain depending on the applied electric field at the gate terminal. Okay, now the current conduction takes place from source to drain depending on the applied electric field at the gate terminal. That's why we named it as field effect transistor. If you take field effect transistor, it is a three-terminal unipolar semiconductor device. Unipolar, why we have to name it as unipolar semiconductor device? In field effect transistor, the current conduction takes place only one type of charge carriers, either electrons or holes. So here coming to the construction of JFET, so here we have three terminals, source, gate, drain. Source, gate, drain. How we have to construct the field effect transistor? Here we have to take one N-type silicon bar. This is rectangular shape, is nothing but N-type silicon bar. N-type silicon semiconducting material ni తీసుకోవాలి. That is named it as N-type silicon bar తీసుకొని. So if you take, we have to take N-type silicon bar, and N-type silicon bar తీసుకున్న తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి? There is two PN junctions will be formed. Okay na? So these are two heavily doped P-type semiconducting materials are attached in either sides, two sides of the n-type silicon bar. So in the construction of JFET we have to take n-type silicon bar or n-type silicon semiconducting material, and we have to take on either side. These are two heavily doped p-type semiconducting materials. So it will form two p-n junctions. Two p-n junction diodes ka form hota hai. Okay na? So and on the either sides, two ends of the silicon semiconducting bar, silicon bar, to we have to take the two terminals. It is drain and source. So we have to take the metal contacts తీసుకొని source terminal ఒకటి, drain terminal ఒకటి తీసుకోవాలి. Okay na? So coming to the, if you add two heavily doped p-type semiconducting materials, it will form two p-n junctions, and if you make it contact with each other, and we can name it as gate terminal. So these two p-n junctions will be contact with each other, and we can name it as gate terminal. So it will form three terminals. What are those? Gate, drain, source. Like this, it is nothing but n-channel JFET. It is nothing but p-channel JFET. If you take n-channel semiconducting material or n-channel semiconducting bar, it will form as n-channel JFET. If you take p-type semiconducting bar or p-channel JFET, it will form p-type semiconducting. It is nothing but p-type JFET. Okay na? So it is nothing but p-channel JFET ani kuda anachu. So coming to the construction, so there is a channel exists between source and drain. There is a channel exists between source and drain. Ee channel ela exists avutundi? If you take two heavily doped p-type semiconducting materials on either side, so it will sandwich it between two heavily doped p-n junction materials, and between the source and drain terminal there is a channel exists. There is a channel exists. So what is the meaning of channel here? Through the channel the majority carriers will flow from source to drain. Channel నుండి ఏమవుతుంది? Majority carriers source నుండి drain కి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. Okay na? That is the use of channel. So coming to the three terminals, what is the meaning of source? Source terminal enduku? What is the use of source? So the terminal through which majority carriers enter the channel. The terminal through which majority carriers enter the channel. Majority carriers here in n-channel JFET, majority carriers are electrons. N-type semiconductor material, what are the majority carriers? Electrons. So what is the meaning of source? What is the meaning of source? The terminal through which majority carriers enter the channel. Here it is electrons in n-channel JFET. Coming to the p-channel JFET, what are the majority carriers? Holes. Here holes are entering the source terminal. Okay na? So what is the meaning of source terminal here? What is the meaning of source terminal? The terminal through which majority carriers enter the channel is called source terminal. Coming to the drain terminal, the terminal through which majority carriers leaves the channel. The terminal through which majority carriers leaves the channel. So here what will happen? The majority carriers are going from source nundi channel nundi drain ki vellipotayi. So then there is a current exists. Okay na? So whenever the majority carriers will flow from source to channel to drain, then there exists a current between source to drain. Drain దగ్గర ఏమవుతుంది? The current exists. That is nothing but here it is drain current. We can name it as drain current. It is indicated by ID. It is indicated by ID. Okay. So what is the meaning of drain terminal here? The terminal through which majority carriers leave the channel. ఇక్కడ నుండి ఏమైతే leave the channel. The majority carriers source నుండి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతే drain కి. So what is the meaning of drain? The terminal through which majority carriers leave the channel. In n-channel JFET, the majority carriers are electrons. In p-channel JFET, the majority carriers are holes. So here depletion layer అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. If you are connecting two heavily doped p-type semiconducting material, there exists a depletion layer between the channel. Okay. So coming to the gate terminal, what is the meaning of gate terminal? What is the meaning of gate terminal? So when heavily doped p-type silicon materials are diffused on both sides of the n-type n-channel silicon bar, there exists a depletion layer will be formed. Okay, now there exists a depletion layer will be formed, and these two p-n junction will be attached together and we can name it as gate terminal. Okay na, what is gate terminal? Ela form అయింది, two heavily doped p-type silicon materials are attached to the n-type silicon bar in either sides between the n channel, and these two contacts are made contact each other and we can name it as these two channels will be named it as contact చేసిన తర్వాత వచ్చే ఛానల్ గేట్ టర్మినల్ అమ్మ. ఓకేనా, సో these layers are joined together, these two layers are joined together and we can name it as gate terminal. ఓకేనా, సో coming to the channel, what is mean by channel? What is mean by channel? The region between the source and drain terminal is known as channel. The region between source and drain terminal is nothing but channel, where the majority carriers will enter the source terminal to the channel to the drain terminal. So that is nothing but why we can name it as channel. ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది channel? The region between the source and drain terminal is known as channel. What is the use of this channel? The majority carriers moves from source to drain. The majority carriers will move from source to drain through the channel. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, there is a current exists. Okay na, this is known as n channel JFET. The channel is nothing but the region between source and drain terminal is known as channel. Okay na, so the channel and the majority carriers moves from source to drain. This is about the channel. So we have total 3 terminals: source, gate, drain and channel. Channel is nothing but channel నుండి ఏమైతే majority carriers will move from source to drain. So then there exists current between the source to drain, that is nothing but drain current anta. Okay na, so this is the construction of JFET.